Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Dermave electric foot callus remover is, what it offers, and basically how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Dermave websites, the Dermave electric foot callus remover is an electric foot care device designed to help basically remove the calluses, rough skin, and dry patches from your feet. The company says that it's designed to provide a spa-like foot care experience at home while helping leave your feet feeling smoother and softer. According to the website, the device has a feature of 360 degrees rotation roller head, dual speed settings, and the compact portable design. It's basically convenient for uh, the use at home or while traveling, as the company says. So the company also says that it's designed or to gently remove dead skin, dry skin as well, without damaging any healthy skin when used as directed. Each package will include electrical callus remover, 60 sanding discs, and a power cable, as mentioned by the website. Of course, before purchasing, you can take a few minutes to review the product information and make sure that the device is suitable for your foot care routine. And it's also a good idea to read the instructions carefully and do your own research before spending any money. So according to the website here, you'll find all description, how quickly can you expect, an example, the result, and basically how to use it. So how to use it, according to the website, you'll have to start with clean feet. So wash and dry your feet thoroughly, and then divide your feet into manageable sections for treatment, and then treat each area. So you'll have to use the device on each section for 3 minutes. Adjust the speed setting based on severity of calluses, like high speed for tough calluses and low speed for gentle exfoliation. And of course, for the moisturizer, you'll have to finish with a hydrating foot cream to lock in the moisture and maintain softness. And is it safe to use? According to the website, yes, it is safe to use basically. And always read the complete instructions manual before using to ensure proper and safe operation. You may see here some real customers and real result as shown there. So if you decide to purchase the electric foot device, you'll have to visit the official website. Choose an example, the color that you want, click on add to cart, and basically choose your preferred option or go to the checkout and choose your preferred color. And you can continue to the secure checkout page, enter your shipping information, payments, and before continuing, as example, your purchase, just review the pricing, shipping information, and any return policy so you know exactly what's included. According to the website, the product is backed by 30 days money back guaranteed. And if you have any questions before purchasing, you can review the frequently asked questions section that they have. So they do have, or they are answering example some questions here, or you can basically contact them through their official form right here. And as with any personal care device, make sure to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer and do your own research and only use the product as directed. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.